Welcome to Darvan. In this video, I'll show you how to design a leathercraft pattern using Adobe Illustrator. We'll keep it simple and focus only on the tools you actually need for leathercraft. Let's start by creating a new document. I'll set the artboard to A4 size, which is perfect for printing patterns. Make sure your units are set to centimeters or millimeters, not pixels. This way, every line you draw will match real-world measurements. Now, let's draw the main pieces of the craft. Use the rectangle tool for panels and the ellipse tool for rounded parts. If you need curves, the pen tool is your best friend. Keep it simple, straight lines for cuts, curves for edges. Accuracy matters in leatherwork. Use the transform panel to type in exact dimensions. Turn on smart guides and the grid so everything snaps into place. This ensures your pieces fit together perfectly when you start cutting the leather. Sometimes you'll need to combine or split shapes. The Pathfinder tool makes this easy. And if you want to adjust a corner or curve, use the Direct Selection tool. These two tools will save you a lot of time. Let's add stitch holes. Just draw small circles with the ellipse tool and place them along the edge. You can also label each piece with the text tool. For example, front panel or handle. This makes your pattern clear and organized. Finally, save your pattern as a PDF. This format is easy to print and keeps your measurements accurate. Once printed, you'll be ready to transfer the design onto leather and start crafting. And that's it. In the next video, we will work on a real project, a leather wallet, from design to the finished product. Don't forget to subscribe to Darvan for more tutorials.